This is a 7 pack of the POSCA paint markers that my niece got for Christmas. This set is the Pascal set. Each paint pen has a colored cap that you can snap on and off to keep your markers fresh. There is one key feature that makes these paint markers extra special and different from any other markers. But before we show you, let's finish taking a look at what each color looks like. We have the pastel yellow, the pastel orange, the pastel purple, the pastel red, a coral pink, the pastel blue, and a pastel green, which to me looks more like a very light blue. And each pen has a medium tip, perfect for both drawing and coloring. And now for the magic of these paint pens. Here we're drawing a picture of a strawberry, starting with the red body of the strawberry. Then we're going to add some green leaves at the top and color it in. Now for the magic. Notice how you can layer the colors on top of each color with no bleeding nor blending? That is what makes Posca paint markers so special and vibrant. We're going to add some yellow seeds onto the red body of the strawberry. These Posca markers are so versatile. They are waterproof and you can use these Posca markers on just about any variety of surfaces, including paper, canvas, fabric, acrylic, metal, rocks, and glass.